So this is a $20 million investment by Bloomberg Philanthropies into what they're calling STOP, which is Stop Tobacco Organisations and Products. It's really about developing a global tobacco industry watchdog. And we are very excited that along with two other partners, we've been awarded that funding, or $15 million of that funding, really to help set up this watchdog and to start holding the tobacco industry globally to account. We bring together three partners. We've got the University of Bath, the Tobacco Control Research Group here. We're really the experts in tobacco industry research. So our role really will be researching the tobacco industry and trying to expand what we've been doing for years into all corners of the globe, looking at what the industry is doing, researching it, making those findings public. And then we'll work with our partners really to help use those findings to hold the industry to account. So the Tobacco Control Research Group are globally recognised really for their expertise in tobacco industry research. We do two types of research. In fact, one is on the tobacco industry, what we call vector research, so really understanding the tobacco industry and its latest marketing techniques, its policy influence techniques, who are its front groups and so on. And the other part we do really is around developing and evaluating policies, which are generally tobacco control policies, but can be other policies. And in fact, increasingly, we're looking at other industries. So we're looking a little bit at alcohol industry and food industry, because often the tactics are very similar. The reason this work is really needed is the tobacco industry is the single greatest barrier to progress in public health. It repeatedly obstructs countries' efforts to implement tobacco control policies. And yet we know that research on what the industry is doing really helps, shine a spotlight on the industry and stop its ability to exert its malign influence. So we really hope that through this work, by being able to investigate what the tobacco industry is up to in all corners of the globe, we will really start to hold it to account and enable progress in public health policy making and save lives.